perfect.
Look at this guy.
Oh my god.
All right.
It's hard, right?
It's not easy.
One more.
You're not. No.
One more shit.
Let's see your ass get on the ground.
Monkey chugs are nice. That's bro. Don't close your lips. Yeah.
Herba.
I'm on your team, man. You're a nice guy.
Steve-O's nice with it.
Yeah, I closed my lips when I swallowed.
Yeah, you would say that.
Matt, you're right. Why are you sweating so much? It's gross. No.
It's not even that hot out there.
All right.
Oh my rats.
It takes me to chug this, right?
Yes. Yo, Steve, we're shotgunning one right now. Yeah, but we're still shotgunning one after Matt. Come on, bitch. Yeah, word.
Wait, so whose beer can is that?
Come on. That one. Matt's is in my hand, man.
That was somebody's, right? No, Funny was the first one to go. Take that away. Take that one away.
Come on, bitch. Come on with it. One. Come on now, bring it over here now. Come on with it. Come on with it. 5, 7. Talking too fast.
7. Steve, get out of the way.
6. I believe I got 6.
2.
That's a second overtime. Which one was like
3. 4.
soft toss, baby, soft toss.
5. 6. 7.
Here we go, Dubs.
8.
Soft toss, right in front, baby. Nick my back.
You crack
Here
it?
we go.
No, let me go first before we shotgun.
Hold the 6.
What? Where the hell's the other bat?
John Rocker.
Yo, toss me that bat.
Yo, Maddie swung the bat went further than
Toss me that bat. Yo, the beer didn't come down. And, like, it's stuck in there.
Because you didn't pour it right.
Bouncy ball him up.
Where's the bat? Toss me that bat.
Dizzy bet, dizzy bet. What a fucking asshole. All right, are we playing?
Yeah, I'm playing.
Well, why are we being so ignorant?
What do you mean? We're up next.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
So, go up to the Grammy guy. We got
JB,
Oh, that's cool.
Thomas said, yo, did I give you my bogues last night? LOL.
They did, but they're all gone.
I'll say that you did, but they're all gone. You did, but they're...
Steve, who's your
Just say
partner?
Everyone smoked them, not their own.
Greg, come on, bro.
This is
Say
falling
what?
hard. Hold on. Everybody
That's what she
smoked.
said.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Steve-O, you'll realize
Come on, baby.
when you tip it back,
What was
it's
your
like
bad
2 seconds before it hits your mouth.
That was a legit.
Twit. I didn't wet my feet.
Cool, because you got grease all on my foot.
7. These ones, you gotta sit down before you black ass passes out.
Never that.
Think it's funny, fat bitch?
I will never.
That would be all.
All right, Steve-O.
Put you to bed at fucking at that camp.
Yeah, finger that shit, bro. I just finger it, bro. Do you see this right now? This is skill. Look at that. Not a drop that came out. Do you see this too? Oh my goodness, there it is right there. Oh wait, can you finger that?
Oh, this better will feel like. Ready? This is what happens when I get in there, in and out of there.
This
Ready?
is what happens when he gets in.
Oh!
Sweet, Greg.
All right, fuck it. I'll chug the phone. All right, Herb. Oh, give him that bat.
Guess I don't need a can or anything.
Stand up straight. What are you saying, Kyle?
Yo, where's Funny? I want to see him.
I'm watching.
All right, well, he's got it on camera. Funny, I'm going. There you go.
I just beat Matt.
I know you did.
Dude, you're on the same team, bro.
I know, but chug it was. Ready?
Go.
1, 2,
3,
4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
You're a bitch. You're a bitch.
12,
See ya. See ya.
11 spins. 1,
See ya.
No, there's 1.
2,
See ya.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more. 11. Go. Go, 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 go. Oh! Oh my God! Whoa!
That's good. Steve, I thought you could chug it faster.
You're right. It takes.
Is it you, Greg?
You were on 3 by the time I hit the beer. Yeah, that's exactly how it was for me. And I just I'm on his team.
Sweet, Greg, you're up next, bitch.
How'd it go? How'd it go? How'd it go?
Shake it, Greg. Shake it, Greg. Shake it. Shake it. Oh my, oh my. Give me some cheeks.
No, I'm feeling pretty good. That's crushing fucking. Funny car can't catch him.
Oh, yeah, you went.
When you go to AC, be like, this is my real
You need that can, you ready, Todd?
Yo,
Anthony,
can us.
Anthony, give me that can right there.
Josh, that was legit.
You almost just hit the bottom.
Oh my god. Yeah, because you just pulled it, thrown against Steve. All right, let's do this.
What do you say, DJ?
You probably hit it on the bottom of the can.
Yeah, legit. Was it? Do it again.
I got it on camera, bro. You're good.
Did you get mine?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 1,
One. Right there.
2, 3,
Look at these circles.
4, 5,
Come on, you guys counted too early.
Oh, yeah.
6, 7. One more. 8. Get it, get it, get it.
Yeah, buddy. Way to carry.
Come on, Josh. Funny.
Dude, no one will chug it faster than me, though. This one's going to be 4.
It's really not though, because it legit is 2 seconds of
No, man.
air.
As soon as I get it, I'm just boom.
It sits in there though. You'll see.
Watch. I just did it before you.
You got me by like a millisecond. Literally, they were saying 7, and you were.
I still won, though. Clean 6. What's up, JB? Thank you. You rolling with Dutch right now? Why not? What do you... I don't understand what you guys are saying.
Our New Year's resolution.
How do I record?
It is recording still. You were just videotaping all of our conversation.
All right. Come on, Joshua!
3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh, you guys are pussies.
1, 2,
Hey-o.
3,
See ya!
4, 5, 6.
How many do I got?
10, 7,
3 more, big guy. 2 more, big guy. Uno momento. Game over. You're a Herb. I got that on videotape. Sean, did you get me chasing Greg? Oh, Josh, what is that, bro?
There is no more left, and Josh said no nigga figure.
9 left.
Alright, so you got more?
Okay, you're trying to record this?
No, I don't like doing
Josh, you're trying to, you can't.
that. She's whacking right in the back.
Josh House is hung like a mouse.
Sky high, he couldn't even look.
Josh House is hung like a mouse.
Oh God, look at my feet. Here, bro. Josh. Oh yeah, what's up?
Shawnee.
Shawnee. How'd it go? Oh dear Lord.
Do you beer, Sean?
Sean, you're doing seconds, big guy. Seconds.
Are you guys going another round after this?
Yeah?
We're playing 9 innings. We've
We're
only
playing
played 2
9
so far.
innings.
Yeah, we'll count.
Yeah, bro.
Yo, Josh.
Josh, we're playing 9 innings.
Josh, Greg, and Steve, we're playing 9 innings. We've only played 2 so far. I'm ready to go forever, bro.
Okay, bitch.
Good night at 7.
Oh,
Good night.
I'm not playing 9 innings. JV can take over later.
What? I can't play 9 innings either, bro.
About to pull my hammy. Yo, stop being a puss magoose.
Go back later.
9.
Take a timeout and then go back later.
We'll take the 7th inning stretch.
Yeah. I'll sing the national.
Yeah, Dutch
7th inning Dutch break.
7th inning stretch.
Break, and then you want to play what? 6 more?
2 more.
Yo, come on. How about we just...
Playing 7. And then we're Dutch break.
Stay at Greg's.
Yeah, you gotta get the good people back here.
Yeah.
Let me get the good view, man. Yo, funny fucked up.